Morning guys, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna go for breakfast and we're gonna go see where this place is because we might go and see dolphins and like parrots and all that in one place obviously. And I'm gonna see where pickup is. I'm gonna go there Tuesday if we do. And then we're just gonna go in a pool. So I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I hope you enjoy. Peace. What one are we getting on?
And pedal it, won't you?
Yeah, obviously I pedalled last time. Got more room for the two of us. Yep. We're gonna get one of these now. You stopped off for a bit. Going out now, already. So we'll see what happens.